Okay, so we're going to be doing one of the target problems that you just did.
How to do number 6 on the target round today.
So if you remember this problem, right, you have a triangle ABC and you have the measure of angle CBA is 135, the measure of the other angle is 30, and then this length is 100. And so now we want to find out to the nearest whole number the area of this triangle. So what we can do, right, is
So what we can do here to make this easier to calculate is we can drop an altitude from C and call this new point D.
what I first see is you have a 30-degree angle and you have a 135-degree angle, right? These two numbers stand out to me particularly because you have 30 degrees, right? Because there's 30 degrees, and the complement of this, right, or supplement of this is 45 degrees, right? 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees.
We have now triangles ACD and BCD, right? And since the angle at D is a 90-degree angle, they're both 90 right triangles. So we can look at the angles and figure out some stuff about them.
And so now what do we have? This is a 45 angle, and this is a right angle. So now what does this tell us about this, right? We have AC is 100, and this entire triangle is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So then what can we say about that? You know your 30, 60, 90s, right?
We know that since the hypotenuse is 100, then the shorter leg, which is line CD, is going to be half the length of the hypotenuse. So the length of CD is 50. And then we know that the length of line AD is the length of line CD times the square root of 3. So AD is of length 50 root 3.
And then one final thing, right? Now we use our 45, 45, 90 right triangle right here. And we know in a 45, 45, 90 right triangle, an isosceles right triangle, the legs are in ratio, or the legs are identical. And
So CBD is a 45, 45, 90-degree right triangle. So since leg CD is 50, is of length 50, then leg BD is also of length 50.
well, we know the altitude is 50. If BD is 50, the length of AB is 50 root 3 minus 50. So there's 50 root 3 minus 1. Okay, then, and then finally, right, we all know the formula for a right triangle, right? Or not for right triangle, for just a triangle, right? We know the formula for the area is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base times height is 1/2 50 by 50, 1250 by root 3 minus 1. And then since this is a target, right, you don't really need to do this out in your head, right? We want to the nearest whole number. So just plug this into your calculator onto the nearest whole number and you have your answer.
And plugging that into our calculator, we find that the nearest whole number, that value is 915, which is our answer. And we're done. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.